Stop! Before you buy another skincare product you saw in a 3-second TikTok. I'm about to save your face, literally. Today we're going over 8 ways to make your face look tan, prettier without a single drop of makeup, and yes, they work even if you've given up on your face 3 times this week. Let's begin the glow up ceremony. 1. Fix your lighting. First of all, your lighting is ruining your life. You're not ugly. You're just standing under the same light bulbs they use in horror movies. Use natural lights the most to bring out the real beauty in your skin. It brightens the skin and make it glowy whilst in front of a mirror or camera. 2. Hydrate your skin. From the inside you know that tight and flaky look your skin gets. Yeah, that's your face begging for water like it's crawling through the desert. Drink water. Eat some hydrating foods. Give your skin the moisture it deserves. Hydration equals free skincare serum your body makes for you. 3. Spend a full minute washing your face. You're washing your face for what? 4 seconds? Absolutely not. Your skin deserves 1 whole minute. 60 seconds. Beyond level dedication. Let your cleanser actually do something other than say hello and goodbye immediately. 4. The cold splash trick. It wakes up your skin, tightens everything a bit, and makes you feel like you just survived a character development arc. Instant refresh. Bonus points if you scream for theatrical effect. 5. Frame your face with better brows. Your eyebrows control 80% of your attractiveness. Okay, I made that up, but it feels true. Clean up stray hairs. Brush them. Shape them. You'd be shocked how much they frame your face. You go from I just woke up to main character energy. 6. Groom your lips. Crusty lips? Immediate -5 attractiveness points. All you need is a little balm, maybe a gentle scrub with a toothbrush, and boom, soft, hydrated, kissable lips. 0 makeup. Maximum cute. 7. Fix your face posture. You know that slumped posture that makes your jawline disappear like Houdini? Try this. Chin up slightly, neck long, shoulders back just a bit. Face posture equals free contour. Instantly your face looks sharper, more lifted, more intentional. And finally, face massage. Not only does it depuff, boost circulation, and give that healthy glow, it also makes you look like you're on a spa and your life is together even if it's really not. So there you have it, 8 ways to make your face look prettier without makeup. No filters, no foundation, just pure self-care and better habits. If this video saved your face, like and subscribe. If it saved your confidence, share it with a friend who needs help immediately. And remember, you're already cute. I'm just helping you unlock the deluxe version.